Introducing the 2023 Skoda Octavia Vrs Tsi Dsg. With only 6,000 miles on the clock, this sleek grey estate is powered by a 2-litre petrol engine with semi-auto transmission, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. This vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and more. From roof rails to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit pixel.com for more details on this top-of-the-line Skoda today.